I earned $44,000 with my crypto mining app, and the best part is, you can build it using AI. First, let me show you the live results I achieved. But before that, let me explain the potential of this business and how it can make you money every month. So, I published my app on the Play Store, and it got 10,000 downloads in just 1 month, without spending a single penny on ads. The reason? Because of huge audience who want free cryptocurrency. But I made a mistake. I used the official Toncoin logo as my app logo, and because of that, the app eventually got suspended. Still, before suspension, my app stayed on the Play Store for almost 5 months, and during that time, I had around 3,000 daily active users. Now let's talk about the earnings. The ECPM, earnings per 1,000 ad impressions, from the US and similar countries was $10 to $15. But from countries like Pakistan or Bangladesh, the ECPM dropped to 10 cents or even lower. So here's the math. If you publish a similar app and get 1,000 daily active users only from the US, you could earn up to $50 per day. Why? Because I designed my app in a way that each user had to watch at least 5 ads per day. Now, let me show you the actual proof inside my Unity dashboard. Here we are. As you can see, I haven't withdrawn anything from this account. The account is 4 years old, and right here in the finance section, you can see that I've made over $44,000. Sounds exciting, right? Let's dive in and build the mining app that made me this much money. In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to create a crypto mining app, and the best part? We'll build the entire app with AI, completely free, with no usage limits. You can create unlimited apps, test unlimited prompts, and keep experimenting. But let me make one thing clear, since this version will be web-based, we can't integrate Unity ads or AdMob, which are the best options for mobile ad revenue. If you're serious about making money with apps, you'll need a native Android or iOS app built with proper code in Android Studio, just like I did. But you can integrate web-based ads like from Adstera. If that's what you want, you can check the link in the description where I've shared pre-built native apps, with Unity and AdMob already integrated. I can even customize the app for you or build it according to your own requirements. But for now, let me show you the web version of the AI app one created, without writing a single line of code. I uploaded the React app code to GitHub, then deployed it on render.com, which offers a free hosting plan. Let's open it up. I'll also provide the link so you can try it yourself. Here's the user panel and the admin panel.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Now, let's start building our own web app with AI. 1. Go to studio.firebase.google.com. 2. Paste the prompt I shared in my Telegram channel into the prompt box. 3. It will start building the app. 4. When asked, enter your Gemini API key and create a Firebase project. 5. Boom! The app is already 50% complete. Now go through each page, test its functionality, and if something is missing, Just type your request in the chat, and AI will fix it. As I said, I won't be making a full step-by-step tutorial here because building the complete app could take 2 to 3 days. And I'm not talking about those useless to-do list apps that most YouTubers show you. This will be a real, working app. Since the app is built in React, you'll need hosting that supports React apps. Render.com is a good free option. But remember, native Android or iOS apps don't require a website. They run directly on your phone. Personally, I use Firebase and MySQL for backend database management in my own app. Don't forget to check out the native app in the description, because that's where the real money is made. That's all for today. Don't forget to download source code and start your crypto mining platform today. And if need any help, just message me on Telegram. Thanks for watching.